My name is Farabi, and Mr. Mahmoudul Hassan and me, we are teammate, and we have a big digital marketing agency, and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen, sir?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, sir. This is our website, fsdfreelancer.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am CEO and founder of this agency, sir. We have
Mm-hmm.
lot of client history, lot of buyer meeting we have performed. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find lot of buyer meeting we have performed and lot of buyer we are working with, and maximum of our buyer from USA, sir. These guys from USA, and he hire us for $500 USA work. These guys from China, these guys from USA, these guys from France, and maximum whole over the world. And if you go next, then you will find more and more buyer we are working with. They are our permanent buyers, sir. And if you visit our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of freelancer working in our team, sir. There are 200 plus freelancer working in our team, and they all are expert. They are working beside our team. They are working on Fiverr and Upwork also. They all are expert freelancer and our team member. And if you go next, then you will find there are 200 plus freelancer working in our team, sir. And if
Okay.
you, yeah, if you go to our YouTube, FSD Freelance Help, this is our YouTube channel, sir. Agency YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Help. On this channel, you have gained 1,95K subscriber and uploaded 174 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.4 million views, 8,11K views, 5,35K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO, sir. So that is about our agency, sir. So
Gotcha.
recently our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And we found basically your some on-page SEO problem on your video. And if you want, we can fix that problem and we will assist you to grow your YouTube channel, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So basically, we optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions, and we'll research high volume rank tags for your videos. And when you put that high volume rank tags to your videos, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will go on top.
Okay. I have a question. So, what tools are y'all using? Y'all using VidIQ, TubeBuddy? Because I'm using TubeBuddy and VidIQ, and I use their tags as well. And I do the search on the keywords as well, and I implement and I use that as well. So that's what y'all currently using
Okay,
for the
sir.
video tags.
As an YouTube SEO expert, we have lot of tools, including VidIQ, TubeBuddies, RapidText, and Moz, and many other tools which I use, and we optimize your video. And when we optimize your video, then your video will start to growing. You will get organic views. Okay, sir?
Okay. So y'all don't do any backlinks and nothing, do y'all?
No, no,
Do
no, no,
y'all do
no,
backlinks?
no, 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 no.
Just strictly SEO because I experienced on my last channel I hired somebody and I haven't given permission and it messed my channel up because they was advertising to bots.
No, no, no.
You know
We
what I
do not.
mean?
We do
They
not
would do
work.
all the SEO. They'll send me the report that they did SEO work with VidIQ and all that different type of stuff, right? But they are advertising because YouTube sent me a message. They said your channel was demonetized because the person that you allowed to have permission of your channel was advertising to like bots and stuff like that as well. So that's why it's like I wanted to get on y'all get on the call with you guys to see exactly what are y'all doing. If y'all can show me, walk me through it, but I can't just put it in y'all hands to do it because I experienced something bad with that situation.
Okay, okay, sir. I see. So we do not work that type of work, and we no need also use
I
channel
see your
access.
I see your YouTube monetization plat, so you got to be legit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cause on Fiverr they got the monetization. You can hire somebody to help you get your channel monetization, but it still hurts your channel because they are advertising to bot channels, and you'll hit the watch hours and all that, and then they'll send you your channel got certified, and then you submit it, you do all the ads and all that, and then YouTube send you a message like, no, your channel's demonetized because it was false advertising.
And we want to work with our clients as a honestly. And as you see, my play button is also hanging behind me. we can do organically grow. So we have two packages for YouTube SEO. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize you 10 video SEO optimizations and it costs $120 for a week. And another package is monthly package. In our monthly package, we'll optimize you 30 video and it costs $300. My suggestion is you can take our weekly package at first and judge our work. And if you are satisfied, then you can go for a monthly one.
Okay. I will have to do like more research. Send me your channel link. Let me do some more research. Look at some clients' testimonies and stuff like that. Do you have any clients' testimonies
Obviously,
that they
obviously,
got?
sir.
Did y'all help any clients help them get monetized yet?
Yeah,
Can I
yeah,
see that?
obviously.
Can I
Obviously,
see
obviously.
that?
Yeah,
Can I see that?
everything has attached on our website, sir. After finishing the meeting, our team member will send our website link, our YouTube video link, and you can judge and you can research about ourselves. And if you take reach a decision, then let us know. Then if you permit us, then we will work for you. No problems.
Okay.
Team member will knock you. If you are hire us for weekly package, then you just send your 10 video link to us, and then our team member will send our payment details. For getting payment, we support sir PayPal, Remitly, and Western Union, sir.
Okay. PayPal is perfect.
Okay, okay, sir. So thanks for your time, sir. Thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time. And we will try our best to grow your channel, sir. We will try our
Okay. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Uh,
Bye bye.